guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, Gibbs will be former Arsenal player and one of the pundits out there now got a comment second the call for Arteta to actually start using Trossard. You get, for our first 11, you should give him more opportunities because you're going to see the way the guy they coming from the second half, when they deliver, when they give some kind of assists, they score goals, like they play very, very well. So you got the opinion say, we could look for a way to put him into the first 11. And if you won't come put Trossard for the first 11 now, that means you have to rest the likes of Martinelli. And who says we cannot do that? Because me and I look at from the point of view saying Trossard no fit starts. Because he did two ways. Trossard no because we get direct space. Because if Trossard starts, what do you want to use beats the fullbacks? No pace, not trickery. You go use, say maybe you go dribble, go left or go right. So we fit use Trossard start. So that Trossard go weaken the fullback. Then Martinelli will come in for the second half with mad pace. They can bombard that fullback. It will be very, very easy for Martinelli to come into the second half and take people on the run because they will run tired, they will run weaken because they will run play like maybe 50-60 minutes. So Martinelli will just come, give them boom, you get. At the same time, Martinelli can start and weaken those people and help Trossard to come in. So now two ways it be. So either way, me are they okay. So now if you see Trossard they come from the bench, they get an impact. More will continue like that. So at the point, if you don't rake up some assists and goals, then we'll actually do that. And now they play multiple competition. Like people keep forgetting we have Champions League on Tuesday against Sevilla, will be a big team. So those players will then rest. Like all those kind of Partey, Fabio Vieira, Trossard will not really start. Don't be surprised, you can't see them starting against Sevilla. So now do with me, I didn't see them. So I don't know what you not think about what Gibbs they talk. Shame this Kylian Gibbs. Shame make we start Trossard ahead of Martinelli because that's the only place you start him. But let's maybe one can start Trossard for Bukayo Saka wing. So what you not think about what's in the talk? Alright, so some people say when they ask me, Sanchez, what's it make Fabio Vieira not even there for the squad now? Who play against Chelsea? Ain't they sick? Ain't they injured? So I don't go do the research. So I can't find out say the EPL rules state say Arsenal could only list 20 squad players. So and since everybody don't they fit, don't be everybody go they listed for that 20 squad. Because I think in our squad now only maybe Timber, every person is they out injured. Every other person has a clean bill of health. So for that reason, we have 24 players. So you know, go easy for us to just put everybody. So that is why the likes of all those Fabio Vieira was missing. Partey self no play. Though Partey was listed, but Partey no play. So Fabio Vieira no even in the squad. He's okay. He's fit. But we could not list him. So I thought I can't choose attacking reinforcement, all those kind of kids here, Trossard, they listed all of them. And Trossard still enter, do one that play post couple. So don't be surprised against Sevilla now you will see Fabio Vieira starting. So me I dey expect something like that because now we need the rotation to make sure say nobody is overloaded with football minutes. Everybody play needed number of minutes so that they will still be clean with a clean bill of health. Alright, so Declan Rice, they also come as when they rally around the group, when they call the Arsenal players, when they say make everybody regroup and we could go again against Sevilla. Against we could turn up this time around because Sevilla, listen for our Champions League group now we the second. So less they first, they did 4 points, we did 3 points. I think Sevilla they were at 2 points, the other PSV did 1 point. So everything they close. So we must make sure so we knock this Sevilla, even though now away with the goal. Sevilla said they know they reach win on form, although they sign Sergio Ramos. They just play Real Madrid for the weekend and they play 1-1 under their new coach. So they don't they beat us small. So we just see how things will turn up for here because now La Liga will go. I will just say I know the team they play 10 men behind the ball, then go come out and knock you, tiki taka. So Arsenal self will enjoy more spaces for that match. So, but whether Sevilla will come be like Chelsea now, can go overload our midfield. Well, we'll just watch. They should be on Tuesday now, not be tomorrow. We'll see how everything goes up. Alright, so Pat Nevin, where they work for BBC, for the BBC 5 Live show, talk about how they hail Arteta for the tactical genius when he performed against Chelsea. Because when you are 2 goals down, 13 minutes to go, and Arteta can't think, okay, who am I going to bring? Don't bring the right changes because this is not actually the first time Arteta don't bring the changes way like change the outcome of a game. We say they influence how the game will end. and they bring those players. Everybody when bring in, everybody contributed, played very, very well. So Baba wants to say, people may not be praising Arteta for that, but he needs to come out and say Arteta is doing a wonderful job. In fact, at 2-2, at some point I was like, who will win this game? Who will win now? But he just did say, no be our time, sha. Well, it is what it is. So now many people want to ask, is it not high time we actually start Tomiyasu instead of bringing him from the bench? Because we don't bring this guy from the bench all the time and he will come give an impact. In fact, some people need to call for the head of Zinchenko. Say Zinchenko no dey for the first few games we don't play this season. Zinchenko never really hold the game by the scruff of the neck. He never really influence games like before, which is what Arteta is saying that this season people don't strengthen, so the league go dey different, go dey tough now. And never really see Zinchenko strong impacts like last season. So people dey say maybe we will start Tomiyasu instead of Zinchenko self moving forward, because Tomiyasu is coming from the bench and he's giving a good showing. So what did they solve? Now for that Chelsea match, you know, see they come out Zinchenko early. The reason not because Zinchenko they play badly, because people they misunderstand that. The reason was because it was on the yellow card already, and facing a Sterling, the Sterling will commit am. That yellow card doing get no go even make him want get into some kind of tackles. He gets for that reason. I thought I don't think and why. So yeah, you come outside, told me falling. He gets that is why we made that changes. But moving on, people are clamoring for Tomiyasu to start ahead of Zinchenko. Maybe Zinchenko will come in for the second half. I don't know whether I want to subscribe to that line of thoughts, but I feel so no. Maybe Tomiyasu is still coming for the second half. We'll see how it go, because when Tomi starts, that our inverted fullback whatever, you know we won't see him. If I against Chelsea, you notice any inverted whatever, because Chelsea overloaded the midfield, and people will look Chelsea and say, oh, this Chelsea tactics, it makes sense against Arsenal. We just pack everywhere full the midfield. What did that go lost? No go know what they do again. So what are the Sisha? Alright, so Alan Pardew, maybe one of the former EPL coaches, they'll come as I call for the FA to actually change the handball law based on what happened to Saliba, as Saliba was unfairly punished by referee Chris Kavanagh. We be say now he interpret everything at the end of the day, they can't give Chelsea a penalty because say where Saliba handing an unnatural position. So Alan Pardew can explain say he don't coach EPL teams for like 30 years. So in the way they tell you say there is no way a defender, at least he don't coach defenders, there is no way a defender will jump without his hand going up, because that is the natural position. So you got to say with the letter of the law, they interpret what happens to Saliba with the letter of the law. You will say okay, it's a penalty, but when you look at the spirit of the law, you just say that thing, it no be penalty. You get so may then change the law. You get now what's in the top, because based on what the law says, what is Saliba do? A penalty, not touching hand, say not touching hand. A penalty, be so more the watch. That's it. They talk and say no wait for either IFAB or PGML. Or their Chamo, our web, make they come address the situation more here, waiting this up. Alright, to get one comparison, we're going to compare between last season's Arsenal and this season's Arsenal. Now, last season, after 9 games, we had 21 points, 24 goals scored, and 8 goals conceded. This season, after 9 games, we still get 21 points, 18 goals scored, and 8 goals conceded. What will be the difference? We scored lesser number of goals. Now some people will talk say we played more bigger teams. After all, this season we don't play Man City, we don't play Chelsea, we don't play Manchester United, we don't play Tottenham Hotspur. You can say we played more bigger teams in the 9 games we don't play this season compared to last season. But the goal still remains that we are scoring less goals than last season, which has been predicted already. So this season will be tougher because everybody don't strengthen. The need for us to get a striker, in short, if I talk this in go play side, it sounds like a broken record, because this is very, very paramount. Because for us to use what is they call like Havertz as a number 9, it they show say imagine say now maybe Ivan Toney did the Osimhen did the Ogurasi, now in for that place. What do you think say those people will enjoy? It will give us another dimension of attack. So I don't know. My own you say I believe say Arteta gets scouting department and he gets intelligent people beside them when they see all these things. No say there is the need for Arsenal to invest heavily in a striker. If not only striker we buy for January and that one day enough. Instead of to go buy another, so we don't even buy Saka replacement. Now only striker. We even buy for January and do okay. Get instead of to go buy Saka replacement, we go buy striker. Now doing me know how it make for my body, because that striker we miss a lot. Alright, so Arteta come talk about that Mudryk goal. When they talk say that Mudryk goal no dey intentional. They say maybe they don't really blame Raya too much for that thing. But although some people talk say the thing dey intentional, if it is intentional, well, credit to the person who play am. But Arteta they try to absorb Raya of the blame. But who just watch that? For me, whether Raya they at fault or nobody at fault, all I know is we should give Ramsdale a chance because Raya has not really proven that he's the upgrade that we are all saying he is. Because the truth is the truth. Alright, so Trossard talk about the title race. So back on the of the opinion, so this title race we see, it will go down the wire. People like Arsenal, Liverpool, and Man City, those three, they will dig everything till the end of the day. Manchester United, Chelsea, all those ones they don't really follow. Tottenham Hotspur, they go still sharp. I don't really see them going the long haul, although they get this advantage, they know the European football, so they will get enough time to rest and they get a good thinking coach. So not just the see, but for me, I think Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool, now their hand the day. Now I mean I see them, but not just watch them. I'm also going to hear from the Daily Star. Now the fact that Pep Guardiola and the hierarchy of the Man City, they don't give the green lights. Say they will sell Calvin Phillips. Is available. He will be available in January for anybody who wants to sign. So now the question now becomes, should them go sell them to Arsenal if Arsenal come up and say we won't buy this player? That is number one question. Another thing is say if Arsenal really show interest, say they won't buy him, will Calvin Phillips come and join Arsenal? When him know say if he come to Arsenal now in second 11, I ain't go see they know say they enter first 11 straight. So the likes of Newcastle, they would like to use and replace Sandro Tonali. Then the likes of Juventus would like to use and replace Feguli. Then the likes of Bayern Munich, they would like to use and replace this Fulham midfielder that they one sign before we really work out for them again. So these are the main three clubs who really they in dire need of a defensive midfielder. Arsenal don't really, we are not desperately in need. Like that's not our priority for now, but we just need them as cover because for January, remember El Neni party are going for AFCON, so we have to save the go Asian Cup, so we will get some kind of deficiency for our Arsenal midfield, which is the reason why we actually need help in January because we go play at least 5 or 6 games. So all those players who they did missing, you don't know what will happen. The ones we can't do without a conquer illness or sickness, you can never really tell what will stop. So that's why we need reinforcements in January. So I don't know, Sha, I can be feeling we will decide at the end of the day because after all, if you join us, Champions League football day for them to play. I don't know whether Man City use them for their own Champions League. If they use them, then if it will be cup tied. But if they don't use them, I think we can play for us. Alright, away from that, so Lauren will be one of the Arsenal legends. Come as I call it, say for Champions League, when they play now, say if the Invisibles still play now, as you say now, them with the Arsenal team now, say Ajay, they go carry Champions League this season. But because that's when they play, they don't understand how to play Champions League. Oh God, we will not carry when they are the odds. When they rule the EPL, they don't carry Champions League. Now I want to carry. Shey the wine state. Football don't evolve. That time, because some kind of foul, because some kind of goals, we don't score gone, we no be goal, we then count. Because no VAR now, so all those Man U, all those Arsenal of those days, many clubs, a lot of people they gel or they take some things. Now VAR don't dey, things don't modernize, technology don't enter, people they better. What is the guarantee say if I play now? Say because now we invisible. Forget say me I be Arsenal fan, but no they talk about it because what you are saying is in the realm of speculation, no be guarantee, no be shola. No they come outside and talk say if I play Champions League now, I go carry am based on which levels now. So me I don't subscribe to that line of thought. When I carry on invisible, I don't carry them, they enjoy and they go. Nobody don't beat you now for the EPL for the visibility, but nobody talk say if I can't play now, I go carry Champions. So other people will move now, they're going to look you now. Okay, know they talk about this stage. Alright, so Trossard also come as I call it, see immediately Saka carry that ball for his left leg. He don't already understand what he mean. So he already they make him move because for training session, he will Saka get and understand it. Saka already say, see, once I hold up my right leg like this, just squat, enter my left like this. Just they run, they go. You don't just know what say how they put the ball inside. So immediately Saka just turn the ball to his left. Piam, he done the Bera. Malobutsu no even see the move when they move. So I see just run Saka cross and in wipe and enter. I don't know say no man. Say the connection did there. So they don't understand each other and that's so it be. At the end of the day, Trossard they praise Declan Rice also. So ever since when this guy entered Arsenal, he has been fantastic. And Trossard can't use the mouth front to say Declan Rice is a leader. He knows how to lead. And Shebi na wetin I dey talk yesterday say this is our unofficial leader wey pass leader. People forget Declan Rice was West Ham captain before he come Arsenal. He has a vocal voice. If you don't know the way the handball, but the guy he dey everly present, the command, they tell people, hey, go this side, hey, do like this. My Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click am so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, out.